use iPads with apps to the benefit of our pupils, which allows them to see moving pictures of roundabouts, dual carriageways, overtaking, and the general challenges that every driver has to deal with. So if we were doing a parallel park, for example, in other words parking between two vehicles, then what we would do is we would break it down into different sections, and then we use a system which is called POM, which stands for Prepare, Observe and Move. There are three types of tests that I'm an examiner for now with Diamond. The taxi driver test, an advanced driving test which anybody can take, and finally what's called the elite driving test, which is currently believed to be the most difficult driving test in the UK outside of the police service. Take the next turning on the right, please. Excellent, good use your mirrors, well done. I became an advanced police driver back when I was 19 years of age, so that's 40 years now. And I've taken a variety of advanced driving tests over the years. I passed the Diamond Elite test, which is a pre-course requirement if you wish to become an examiner.
I would never have passed before if I hadn't have gone to Anthony.